case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Supreme Court has overturned a decision convicting Byron Thornhill for picketing near a business, heralding a renewed dedication to the constitutional rights of peaceful assembly and freedom of speech. Stemming from a 1940s labor dispute, the case centered on Mr. Thornhill's attempts to discourage others from interacting with a specific business, a move that contravened state laws at the time. The drama unfolded when Thornhill contended that his conviction undermined his constitutional rights. The dispute underscored the tension between a citizen's right to free speech and public order, forcing the nation's highest court to weigh the scales of justice. Thornhill's argument was compelling enough to draw the attention of the Supreme Court, following a series of lower court rulings that upheld his conviction. It became increasingly apparent that Thornhill's case was not merely an isolated incident, but a significant constitutional question that needed to be addressed. Surprising many, the Supreme Court sided with Thornhill, declaring the controversial state law unconstitutional. The ruling underscored the principle that the freedom to discuss matters peacefully and truthfully, even amidst labor disputes, is a bedrock constitutional right. The state's purported interest in preventing violence or maintaining public order could not tip the scales against the fundamental right to free speech. In its landmark ruling, the court insisted on the necessity of comprehensive discussion on all relevant issues, effectively establishing a new benchmark for freedom of speech. Penalties could no longer be levied on peaceful and truthful discussion of matters of public interest. This landmark decision underscored the enduring resolve of the court to uphold constitutional freedoms, even in the face of significant social tensions.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.